So it does look as though Christmas itself will be on the settled side, but between now and then, a fair bit of weather to get through, remaining on the changeable side with some spells of rain interspersed with showers, blustery winds, and as a result feeling quite chilly at times as well. And it's all down to low pressure, very much the dominant feature of our weather as we head through the next few days. Various fronts bringing bands of rain interspersed with sunshine and showers. But out there at the moment, this is how things are looking. Cloud and rain already starting to pile in from the west. That rain will be quite persistent, locally heavy for a time through this evening. And once it clears, we will be left with a scattering of showers. The wind's also whipping round, becoming more of a northwesterly by the end of the night, and that will bring the temperatures down. So it will be frost free, but it will still lead us into a chilly start to the day tomorrow. But despite the chill, it will be a fairly bright start. Some nice sunny spells coming and going, just a smattering of showers here and there. I think into the afternoon, any showers tending to peter out, more in the way of brightness to be found, but it's not going to help the temperatures. Well down on today's values. Highs tomorrow, probably just 6 or 7 Celsius on the face of it. But when you add in the strength of that breeze, these are the feels like temperatures. So this is what it will feel like, much closer to 2 or 3 degrees. If you are heading to the coast, these are the times of high water for tomorrow. Margate there just after 2 in the morning and around 2:30 in the afternoon. So a quiet, if somewhat cold end to the day tomorrow, and overnight into Friday it stays fairly quiet, perhaps a little frost by dawn, but you'll notice up towards the northwest the next front poised to move in, so a changeable weekend ahead. So whilst Christmas itself looks set to be fairly quiet, the lead up remains on the changeable side with spells of rain interspersed with showers, some blustery winds as well, and as a result feeling quite chilly from time to time too. And it's all very much down to low pressure. That will dominate our weather as we head through the next few days, with various fronts bringing bands of rain interspersed with sunshine and showers. And as I said, it won't be until Christmas Eve and Christmas Day where things should start to settle down. But this is how we're looking at the moment. Rain already starting to pile its way eastwards, persistent, locally heavy in places. And once that clears, still a scattering of showers following on. The wind's whipping round to a northwest as the night wears on, and that will bring the temperatures down. So frost free, I think, for the most part, but nevertheless, it will lead us into a chilly start to the day tomorrow. So a chilly but a bright start to our Thursday. Still a few showers in the mix, drifting in on that northwesterly breeze, but thankfully these should be fairly few and far between, and for most of us the emphasis will be on a dry and bright day. But a real contrast in temperatures compared to today. Well down in single figures, 6-7 Celsius the high on the face of it, but when you add on the strength of the wind, this is how it's going to feel, so probably more like 2 or 3 degrees. If you are heading to the coast tomorrow, these are the times of high water, just the one there for Poole at 11:39 in the morning. So a quiet, if rather cold end to the day tomorrow, and overnight into Friday it remains on the chilly side, maybe a touch of frost on Friday morning, but you see already up towards the north and west another front poised to move in, heralding the arrival of a changeable weekend.